What's up everyone? So today we're out playing with both of the cars. In just a little bit you guys are gonna hear my R8 V8. Comment down below, let me know if you think it is too quiet. I think it's time for an upgrade for this car, as you guys will see coming soon. We might even put the R8 against the GTR briefly in this video, so hope you guys enjoy it. So now it's time to set up for all of the different angles we're getting. Time to get the GoPro out with my lovely camera bag. You actually just got a bag, didn't you?
Yep. Finally, when we first started filming, we just had one little bag, and now we need these big boys.
Do you normally do yours without the microphone if we're doing it just behind?
Yeah, if I have the GoPro on the back, just like that skeleton housing.
Okay, we'll do the skeleton housing.
Yeah, just suction this right on the back of the car, facing the exhaust. No wind noise being on the back bumper, and it gets really good clip, really good audio, and really good visual.
And I do have a cloth to wipe down the bumper. Let's do it on this side, I guess. But I see a lot of other YouTubers do it sideways.
Yeah,
that might be my best angle to have it right here.
Well, no, suction it here and have it up.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I don't get why people have the angle sideways, then it doesn't work right.
Even if it's facing that way, you kind of get some perspective with the grass, right? Yeah. So like up like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it made a huge difference once I cleaned that. Let's see how that angle looks. It might be a little crooked. Let's see.
There you go.
That good there?
Looking pretty good.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you take the tripod and go all the way to the beginning there.
What?
You want to ride? Because we're going towards us.
Okay.
Remember our normal spot?
Yeah.
If you guys remember, if you're original OG subscribers, this is the road that we come to for all of our exhaust videos. So it might look familiar to some of you guys.
I think we have Genesis Coupe videos on this road.
Yeah. The Gen, the Tacoma, the red Tacoma.
Yep. The red,
Lotus.
Obviously both Z's.
Yeah. And now these cars.
What's next?
So we're gonna go set you guys up down there and then do the first pull.
Sounds good.
From zero. Alright guys, so that was just a couple clips of the exhaust. What do you guys think? Think maybe a straight pipe of some kind?
I think the R8 needs a little oven.
It needs the earphone users. You need a little more.
Yeah.
A little more noise. So, last up is the, oh, where's my GoPro? It's still in there.
Yeah.
Last up is now the POV angle using the GoPro and the head strap mount. A lot of you guys always ask how we do this. Well, here we go. Hooking up the exhaust now, or the microphone to the exhaust. In one of the videos I made, a lot of you guys thought it sounded like a lawnmower. I think I just had the microphone too close. It was right about here.
Yeah.
So that wasn't really good. Do you think
that should be good?
That good right there? Okay.
Hey, so you can see part of your stock exhaust right here.
Ooh.
Whatever. If you're talking about a new exhaust, if it happens to be titanium, that might be pretty sick.
What if I can remove that and just have these?
Just like mesh or something?
Yeah. Just remove that and just keep the. Whatever you call these.
That could be pretty sweet.
Pins. Do we get any comments on the tape? Because a lot of people don't think the tape can hold.
Oh yeah, I had one guy
holds.
at the track tell me that wouldn't hold, but it will really hold.
Can you hold one end of this one?
Yeah, it holds at least 130 miles an hour. Someone's gonna comment, oh, you're putting tape on an R8. It's removable.
It comes off.
It's not super glue.
Yeah. One last piece and then I'll show them the head strap. So the way I do this, Brian does it a little bit differently than me. He puts it directly on his forehead. I have a little bit of a spacer so I can actually see above the camera. So while it may look like I have this in my way, if I look beyond it, I don't see it.
Oh yeah.
So I can clearly see, and I know, it's safe to drive like this. So
very cool.
Now we'll put you guys back here
do some quick clips.
Yep, quick clips.
And then we'll be following in the GTR, kind of getting maybe some clips. And real quick for everybody, the resonated mid-pipe on the GTR is for sale. So if anyone is interested in buying that, send me a message on Instagram. I'll have that for sale because, like I said earlier, something new is coming for the GTR. I'm going a much different way. So we're now in the GTR. We are gonna do our best to keep up with the R8. I think we can manage, but we're getting the cool POV shots like you saw. Probably my favorite angle. It really immerses you in the driving of the car, so definitely pretty sweet. You know, the R8, it does sound good in the stock form. I mean, it's beefy and meaty, it's just quiet. It sounds good though, it does sound good. How is it as a passenger?
Bumpy.
Bumpy.
We need a stabilizer.
I gotta say, while the GTR is faster, the R8 is really, really nimble. So this tight road, I mean, I'm not pushing it obviously, but I mean, that R8 has the handling to it. I mean, it weighs less, it's a lot nimbler, better weight balance. I should say more nimble, but that's a nimble little car. It's small compared to the GTR when you really compare them, but.
Was that it? Do we turn around and go back, or does the road keep going?
This is the end of the road.
Okay. So we turn around now?
Yeah. Dude, that thing is nimble. I mean, I wasn't trying to push it, but it's hard to keep up.
Yeah? Well, we'll get to that other road. It's like I'm a minor.
Yeah?
Ready? There we go. So we'll turn around, I'll do it again.
Yeah.
And then
We'll stop at the end and then do like a quick pull.
yeah.
Alright guys, round two. Looks like Mike's already taken off. And for those of you GTR guys who do want the mid-pipe, it sounds epic. If you want your GTR to sound good without being crazy and for cheap, definitely send me a message.
Alright.
Cool.
So how should we do the pull? Will she hold the camera, or should I take my POV off?
Alright guys, so we're going to do a quick pull. I'm going to be in front of the R8 and just kind of pin it from second gear just to see the acceleration. Just a little fun pull. Eventually we'll do a full-on race between the two cars when we have better circumstances. So we're going to do second gear. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Like second gear when I pinned it, my turbo lag didn't let me do much and he stayed right there. Well, that was impressive. That R8 stayed with me, so when we do our full race video, that will be interesting to see. The turbo lag is what killed this. That was second gear at like 20, so really low in the RPM range. If I had done first gear though, that probably would have been a different story, but that's pretty impressive, honestly. Dude.
I had you on the start.
Turbo lag.
I had to take my foot off the gas.
Yeah? How fast were you going, like 20 to start?
Probably.
Like I pinned it, there was lag, and then I took off, but you were staying with me.
I had to let off.
If we did it in first gear, it probably would have been different, but
yeah.
I think if we race these for real, first gear I'd get you, second gear higher RPM I would, but third gear, we'd be neck and neck, I think. That is so impressive. That car stays up with this. Second gear, he had me. The V8 naturally aspirated throttle response, it kicks turbo's butt. That was 22 to the speed limit, just like that. Once I got into third gear, the turbo power started taking off, and that was impressive. So for everybody who says, oh, the V8 R8 is a slow one, it's not a slow car, it's just not as fast as a V10, but that thing moved. That was impressive. All right, we're gonna let the car and the turbos cool down real quick.
Dude, I almost had you.
You never had me. Never had your car. Dude, second gear, this took me. The turbo lag couldn't keep up with the V8.
I got to redline second gear into third gear. You started taking off on me, and then I got in behind you.
That is very impressive. Like the turbo lag, we started at 20 and then went up, of course, right to the speed limit.
Yeah.
I mean, that was.
I had you till third gear.
And you didn't just have me. You were ahead of me for a little while.
Yeah.
Not a car length, but you were ahead of me.
Yeah.
Dude, that's impressive.
I can't wait for something to give it a little more oomph.
And then to do a full race, like,
Yeah.
now see, first gear, I don't think you'll have a chance.
I don't know.
I mean, I don't know that.
You get out of first really quickly.
Yeah, first gear is, you know, part of the launch and stuff, but dude, that's
So
impressive.
that was a good second gear pull.
That was very impressive.
My car is very hot right there. Woo!
Yeah, I'm letting my turbos cool.
So that was the before video, you guys, as to what is coming next.
Yeah, we'll do, of course, a real race, so a full professional, better situation, of course, but first time doing a full pull with them was pretty cool.
Yeah.
But
we haven't had time to go to Mexico yet, so
yes.
that will be soon, next month. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button for plenty more videos to come. The next month of videos for both cars is gonna be pretty epic.
Needless to say, I don't want to say much more.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next video.